So now let me show you how you can add a text to the iPhone photo. So as you can see, I have my phone in here, and if I open up the camera and I capture a photo, it gets saved into the gallery. So if I go back and open up the photos library in here, you'll see the freshly taken photo showing up latest in the grid. And if I want to add a text to it, I definitely have the option to. I just click on the edit button below, and then now I proceed to the markup tool, which is right there at the top. So this is the button I click. The photo was a live photo, so I'm gonna disable it, no problem. And then I'm just gonna add a text in here. So of course, we can just draw and use the markup as usual, but in the bottom right corner, there is a plus button. And when you click on the plus button, you can see a bunch of different options appear, and the option to add a text appears as well. So you can move it around and put it in the different places, but of course you can double click it and replace the sample text with whatever else you want to type in to the image. So as you can see, I just added the word example in here. If it goes in 2 rows, you can kind of like expand it like this and make sure it looks normal. And obviously you can change the color and customize some additional things like the font, or even choose a very distinct color from the color picker. But as I say, we can change the thickness, we can bump up the size, change the font, or whatever else we want to do with it. And so that's how you can customize the text to make it look the way that you want. Lastly, just position it where you want it to be, and do not forget to hit the done button and blue check mark, and then the yellow done button. And then now the image contains text, which we just added using nothing but the built-in tools. So let me know if it worked for you. You can obviously share it with anyone you want. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.